Hey guys, we got a Playmobil Ever Dreamers figure to open. Let's go ahead and get it started. Welcome back, Playmo Pals, and thank you for tuning in to today's unboxing. We found at random a Ever Dreamers Series 3 box in a box of Playmobil things in our house, and I don't know if this was part of the huge box of Ever Dreamers figures we got, or if this was separate. I do not know, and we probably already have this clicky, but we are just too curious to pass it up, so we're going to go ahead and unbox it for you right now. In case you've never seen an Ever Dreamers box, this is the regular Ever Dreamers clicky box. So by regular, I mean she's not one of these core characters up here. There's 5 characters here, and they come in a little bit more lavish looking boxes. In fact, their boxes are much bigger. In fact, I'll show you what one of their boxes looks like. Check this out. Here is Claire, part of the Ever Dreamers. As you can see, she has 33 pieces included in here, and yeah, box is significantly larger, and she comes with a lot more stuff. Now we're going to review this one at a later date. I'm trying to get somebody to help me with this one, but here's the regular Ever Dreamers box. This is what we are opening today. Alright, so we are taking a look at set number 70585. This is, again, Series 3 in the Ever Dreamers collection, and we will only be getting one of 12 possible regular Ever Dreamers characters from this box here. So there won't be any one of these 5 here from the core cast of the Ever Dreamers line. On this side of the box, we have 5 of the quote-unquote surprises that we'll be getting. The one being the surprise figure. We don't know who it is. We will be getting a collectible card in relation to that figure, a charm, a sticker of this. It's most likely going to look just like the card, and then an accessory or 2 or more. And on the opposite side, we have a thumbnail picture of all 12 of the possible clickies we might be getting in here. The back of the box has our choking hazard warnings in various languages, our manufacturer, distributor, and barcode. Okay, and enough with the box details, guys. Let's go ahead and tear this thing open and see what's inside. Now, I like to open these without seeing what we're getting exactly, and sometimes they'll put the sticker or the card right beyond this perforated square. I don't know how well that shows up on camera, but you can see it now. But yeah, a lot of times when you punch this open, you'll get the card right away, and I want to avoid seeing who I'm getting right away, but you might. Oh well, they got the card right there, but it's facing the opposite direction, so we won't know unless we just happen to flip it over or it falls out who we're getting. So the point is to not look at either that or the sticker, which I see behind it. There we go. And whoa, they just stuffed this in, didn't they? Yeah, that's pretty beat up. So, ooh, I can already tell who this is. This is the very exotic Latina dancer. She's got wings. Yes. This is probably my favorite of all the Ever Dreamers characters that are not part of the core cast. And she's got, whoa, we dropped something. It just went down by my feet. So I'll get that off camera. Did I get everything? Ugh. Oh, there we go. Glad I checked. But here she is in card form, the Dancing Queen. Very suitable title. And here's her sticker. Here's our Clicky herself before she's adorned with all the necessary accessories to complete her outfit. Here's her crown. Here's the harness for her wings. Here's her wings. Very colorful. She's gonna need a stand because she is falling over with the weight of those wings. Luckily, every Dreamers character has a stand. She comes with 2 plastic bracelets and a billion more rubber ones. I promise the rubber bracelets are not easy to put on. Now, this last bracelet is gonna go on her ankle. Ta-da! She also comes with this little purse. There we go, looks pretty good. And let's finish it off with not 1, but 2 of these maracas. Can we get that in focus? Yes, we can. All right, and there she is. Wow, what a fantastic figure. I will admit, I already have this one, but I didn't put all the little bracelets on her when I got her. And then Roxy got a hold of her because I left my Clicky box open and she chewed it up. So I lost an entire wing. So this is a nice find. Here she is with her card. And here she is with her sticker. She does come with this charm of musical 8th notes, as all of the Ever Dreamers do. However, if you get any of the core cast Ever Dreamers figurines, they come with the actual bracelet that you can add charms to. And that's it for this unboxing of the Ever Dreamers Dancing Queen. Fantastic figure all the way around. All of these fantastic colors make it really stand out on your display shelf. So much, in fact, that even the dog likes it. Trust me, I know. Hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already for more Playmobil content. You can also find us on Instagram. Check us out at playmo.af. We got more on the way, guys, so stay tuned. We'll see you again very soon. Thanks a lot for watching. Everyone have a great day. Bye-bye.